I want to set up my new audio gear. This is my new audio gear. This is a clip-on microphone, and I want to explain why I picked the DJI microphone over its other side. I picked this up a couple of days ago, time of filming, of course, and I've spent the last year and a half researching this microphone. Now I had two. I had the DJI Magic and I had the Rocco microphone. Picture on screen. And everything was telling me, buy this one. Now, this wasn't cheap. I paid for my own money for this. And it's one of the pieces of, I think audio is something that we all take for granted. And good audio means you keep your audience, because I've been using my camera, I've been using my phone. And one thing I've noticed with making this channel was I got a good camera now, investing some money in that, which was good investment. I got some new lighting, which was good. But I've never considered the audio. I have done some cheap microphones, didn't quite work out. And then some in the comment goes, why don't you use a phone as a voice memo? So I've been using that. So let's get into that. Now, there's plenty of videos how to unbox this. I just want to show you the reason why. The reason why I got this one over the Rogue one was it had some functionality that I liked, and I thought, yeah, this would be a good investment. First thing, it's in a case. It's in a nice carrying case here. It's quite a nice case. It's got everything you need. I'll be adding a few things to this. Secondly, it's all in one package. So in here, you would see there's two microphones and the receiver in the middle. And I thought that'd be great, because I've got a few personal projects that I want to do this. This is not just for this YouTube channel, but I'm looking after another channel, so I want to do more for that one. And the idea was, if I get out, and this is all in one unit. And I thought, yeah, this would be great, because it's all in one unit. I can have a host whenever time I host, but in my personal projects, there will be some hosts in there. So that's great. Secondly, it comes in a box, as I said. It's all in one. It's not, I'm not carrying 20 bags. This thing, I also, speaking about chargers, this is a charger. And also this is, it charges itself. So basically, if it dies, and it tells me there's a wee light here, I just plug it in and it works fine, which is great. The other thing is, it's clip-on microphone, of course. It also has a thing where I can clip a thing, but also can do this. So let's get this out. Oh, that's two. Let's get one. Now, you won't see this. I want to know right now if this will clip on there. So the idea is this goes here. And there's a wee magnet that clips onto here, which is fine. Now, I can see there's a wee monitor station on here. I don't know how I'm going to video this, but I can tell you now, there's a wee monitor station on here that tells me I'm getting a good signal. I set it up to +2, and I can add more to post without losing too much signal. Good. So, I want to do a wee test. This is the camera microphone. This is I'm going to put a non-edit on this. There will be no filters. I normally put a few filters back on it, but this is the raw image. With my phone, you can hear the rustles and everything. So I want to have a quick test. This is my phone volume. It'll probably sound great because I'm so close to it. This is good. Now let's speak about the Rogue. The Rogue, the DJI. So, give me a minute and I'm going to set this all up. But it also has a built-in microphone, so I'm going to turn that on now, and you're going to hear. So this is now with a Rogue. I keep calling it Rogue. The DJI connected to my camera, audio test. No idea what this sounds like, so hopefully that will be good. This is now an actual test with a DJI internal microphone test. No idea if this sounds good. This is why I bought it, because it's got a nice wireless gear. I can feel like I can move now. It's good. I'm also going to try. I'm going to also do a wee test, but that's on edit mode. It also has these boxes there where you can connect your phone to it. Now, I'm not going to do a test for that as well, but it's microphones is one of these things where you have to spend so much money. But the thing is, you don't have to spend an arm or a leg or a liver. No idea what a price code for a liver is. But you don't want anything cheap, because I went down the cheap road, and I found the cheap road was I was just buying endless e-waste. Initially, it was e-waste. It was just generally e-waste, and then I thought, I'm sick of this. There must be something better. Then you put wireless microphones into YouTube, and then two brands kept coming up. Down now every time, the DJI Mic and the Rogue. And of course, I spent the last year researching them both, checking my options, and I finally picked this. It picks all my boxes. If you want to know my boxes was, it is to have a simple case where I can carry it all. It's wireless, which I think this does. It has an internal mic, that takes that. It's one unit. Tick that box. And it also has, it comes with its another host. Brilliant. Don't have to waste money on that. So this is forward thinking in what I want. Really windy today. Now, I'm not telling you to recommend this DJI microphone. I'm not going to recommend this. All I'm saying is, I wanted something that's good for my audience, good for me on my side projects. Quite a few side projects are going on, not just this YouTube channel. Hello there, audience. But I also want to give you a good experience as well. I'm rambling because I want to hear this audio, and I think it's good to hear this audio. So if you want to get good audio, invest in good money. Don't go down the loan of e-waste. Buy something good. It'll cost you money, but you're spending something that costs £2 to almost. I don't know how much I spent on this. I don't want to know. I just paid for it, and I'll just pay for it later. Okay, before I ramble on, please comment below how you think my audio sounds better, and go through my past videos and see how good they are. If you want to know how bad my audio was at the start, go to watch my first video. I'm gonna put that in my reference video. Oh, it's open now. Cool. Now, because this is wireless, I can speak to you while I'm moving. Oh, but I'm not. Yeah, I think audio is one of the things. Is I realized audio. I learned audio. I learned from the start. Audio is something you need, and I hope I made the right decision, because I just paid this. I just got this because of whim. Loads of people was recommending me. I even spoke to one of my friends, and it says I need something that's he's a big audio DJI guy, and I asked him what 2 brands, and he told me these 2. I'm thinking that doesn't help, but we've narrowed it down. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Please watch my internal videos. It helps me a lot. And please like this comment. And if you don't like this comment, just do a wee emoji. Helps me out. Doesn't hurt you. Just put a wee emoji to say you like this kind of video, and I hope my audio will be good. And I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.